Have you ever wondered why most manifestation techniques just don't work? You visualize, repeat affirmations, stay positive, yet your reality barely shifts. It turns out, it's not your mindset that's the problem. Recent neuroscience suggests the real key to change lies beneath conscious thought, in a hidden network deep inside the brain that controls how we perceive possibility itself. When this network becomes more balanced, people often report a calm sense of clarity. Ideas flow more easily. Decisions feel aligned instead of forced, and motivation feels natural again, without trying to stay positive. If you've tried vision boards, journaling, or affirmations and felt stuck or disappointed, you're not alone. Thousands of people felt the same way, until they learned how to activate this deeper layer of the mind. A team of cognitive researchers recently uncovered a simple, sound-based technique that may support optimal communication between the brain's hemispheres, what some call a genius bridge. It's not hypnosis or meditation, but it builds on similar principles of brainwave alignment and neuroplasticity. This approach could help retune your focus and emotional balance in just minutes a day by guiding your brain into a naturally coherent state where clarity and creativity thrive. You can watch a free presentation explaining exactly how this method works and the science behind it by clicking the link below. Most manifestation advice focuses only on thoughts and feelings, but this new research shows that real change may begin in the wiring of your mind, not just the willpower of your mind. Early users report feeling calmer, more centered, and surprisingly clear-headed, often within the first week of practice. Tap the link now to watch the free educational video while it's still available, and see how this emerging brain science could help you unlock your most focused, aligned self.